The tools you will need for this job are a flat bladed screwdriver and a pair of pointy nose pliers. Now I choose these pliers with the bend in them because they have more leverage when you're working inside a blind. Okay, so you've pulled your blind all the way up and it's just fallen back down again. Now the reason for that, if you'd like to come in nice and close to this blind, is because this part here, the cord lock, is worn or just not functioning. This little wheel here can sometimes fall out of the back and then the cord lock won't operate properly anymore. So to replace the cord lock, the first thing you have to do is to remove the cords. And then you will need to remove this little bar here. And so basically what you do is you take your pliers and you pull it out. The cord lock will then drop out. When replacing the cord lock, you will need to put this little piece back in. You need to hold it with your finger, slide the cord lock back in place, and from there you will need to put this little bar back in. So it's a little bit tricky to get the bar to go back in, but you get it through the first hole and then using your pliers line it up with the second hole. Pull it right through and that's your cord lock installed. Make sure that this little wheel here is pointing in the direction that the cords travel. If you put the cord lock in backwards, and it is possible, then the cords will just lock in place and the blind won't work. Now the last part of the job is to thread the cords back in. So you thread them back through between the two wheels, making sure that one cord comes on one side of the bar and the other cord sits on the opposite side. And as you can see, the cords have been replaced.